Start. It is particularly appropriate that in this year of Mahatma Gandhi's centenary, the Patel Memorial Lectures should be devoted to the study of some aspect of his life and thought. This would have gladdened the heart of Sardar Patel, who worked valiantly with him and after him in the service of the country and left the impress of his vigorous personality on many aspects of our national life. Gandhi has made a unique impact on the mind and heart of his age, although many of the values which he deeply cherished were at a great discount in the world. This is a good opportunity for us to assess some of the results of this impact as objectively as possible and to examine his relevance to the modern world. There are many persons, not all by any means his detractors, who sincerely think that the Gandhi era is over. They recognize that he provided brilliant leadership in the fight for freedom as well as in many other fields where results are neither easily perceptible nor quick to mature, but having done that, his role has been completed and many of his teachings are not really valid now either for India or the world. We would do well to recognize this new trend, particularly in the younger generation, which did not have the stirring experience of actual seeing him and coming under the spell of his personality. Is this a really correct and complete assessment? I hope to examine some facets of this criticism in the course of these lectures. While I appreciate the relevance of this theme to the occasion, I do not quite know why I have been chosen for the honor. Some of his friends and co-workers are luckily still alive. A few of them present in this hall who had known him longer and more intimately, whereas I came into contact with him mostly in the last decade of his life. They could have done fuller justice to the theme and spoken with greater authority. Also, only last December, one of his close co workers and a careful student of his thought had spoken on a somewhat similar theme. This is indeed good, but you will agree that this does rather queer my pitch. However, I am grateful for this invitation because it has led me to a restudy of Gandhi's writings again, and this has been an enriching spiritual experience. During the last 50 years, so much has been spoken and written about him, and he has himself written so much about his ideas, his values, and the course of his spiritual stopover.